Here's a 1951 Oldsmobile 98 Holiday Coupe. Very nice looking two-door Oldsmobile. Kept pretty much original. As you can see, it's got the wide whites, wheel covers, black paint. I'd call this a nice driver quality car. With the black, there are some imperfections in the paint that you can see, of course, like black on most cars. But overall, you can see very nice luster to it. Let me get up here. Here's a few of the little spots where you can see some of that other reflection. Obviously, is our ceiling and the rafters. But nice looking car. Like I said, nice driver quality car. Chrome on it is in decent shape. Again, is it absolutely perfect? No. A little bit of pitting, as you can see there. But overall, very nice looking and driving car. Still retains the 303 rocket engine in it. So it's got the rocket V8. 303 cubic inches. That is paired with an automatic transmission. Shifter on the column, front bench seat. We'll go ahead and start her up in a little bit too. If you'd like to check out the underside pictures, interior, engine bay, all the pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Take a look at the back seat vinyl cloth combo, as well as the front bench. See some seat belts have been installed. Dash and everything retains that stock look. Still has a stock radio in the dash, as well as a clock above it. You see the bright work is in also in nice shape. Fender skirts. Again, the wide white walls. Slip around to the back. Take a look at the bright work, also in nice shape. As you can see, the paint's got a nice luster to it, so the reflection. You can also give us a call. 507-386-1726 is the number we can be reached at. Or like I said, any of the still pictures, underside, trunk, uniqueclassiccars.com. As you can see, the headliner is also in nice shape. Kind of cool how they had the courtesy lights or the dome light on the side. As you can see, it does work in this car. Door cards are also in nice shape, kind of keep the glare off there. As you see, the car also has power windows. All four of the power windows do work. As you can see, they were down in the videos in the picture. Another cool thing in this car, check out that steering wheel center hub. Just don't see that on cars these days. Some of that cool old ornate stuff. Again, pretty much stock dash. Radio and clock. Start the car in neutral. Turn the key, push the button. As you can see, there's no park on these cars. So when they would be parked, you'd drop it into reverse after the car is shut off and pull the parking brake. So that's what I had to do, is put it back into neutral, turn the key. See how nicely that door closes. In here it's got a little bit of a rumble to it. Cool sounding rocket V8 underneath the hood. Again, give us a call, 507-386-1726, or feel free to check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com.